This video will cover setting up custom repair categories. This feature is only available to premium users, so make sure you have the correct subscription before trying to set any up. You'll first be met with a list of the preset repair types. Clicking into any of these will show you their subcategories too. These can then be clicked into and edited if needed. You can also amend existing ones by clicking the Edit button in the top right. To create a new category, click New. Then enter a name for the category, along with a keyword to be given some suggested icons. To create subcategories, click New again, but this time tick the subcategory box and then link it to a main category. If we save the changes, those new categories and subcategories can be found on the portal. If you want more information on having your own branded tenant portal, visit myrepairs.online. Thanks for watching.